So hi guys, today I'm going to show you the WhatsApp trick that how you can delete a WhatsApp message from the receiver whenever you want. So before started, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So before started, first see the message detail, the message which you want to delete. Click on information and remember the date and time of that message. Now turn off data and Wi-Fi. Then click on setting and go to app manager. Now click on WhatsApp and click on port stop. Now you have to change the date and time according to message. Also change its date. Now click on WhatsApp and delete the message which you have to select. Now you can see that message delete from everyone, but you have to now turn on the data, so the message has been deleted. So if you like my video, then share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.